on its back.
Here she comes, is it?
Yeah, you've got to be down, coming down, because that kid just slows right down.
I hope they fucking careful and they realise the water's by there. Because there's not much of a lock, see, is there?
Oh, fuck no. Oh, Sam's right. Oh, fuck. Fucking hell.
Look at that, look at that. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, shit.
No more.
What happened?
That fucking twat.